there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you for joining me again today. Today is day 3 of my 7 days of Christmas, and I'm featuring the Decorated Pines stamp set and dies today. Now, I have made previous videos using this same stamp set and this same particular die, but I wanted to show you a really quick card using non-traditional Christmas paper, just featuring a lot of green. So this is the card we're making today, and the paper I've used is actually from the Abigail Rose suite of papers. That's the actual full sheet of 12 by 12. Beautiful, beautiful paper. I just love that soft, sort of smoky slate look of the colour against that shaded spruce of the green. So this is going to be a quick one because I've done all the work already. For this one, I actually cut the designer series paper to fit completely the front of the card. I've changed it up for this one to give a little matte there. I think that just breaks it up a little bit more. I've already gone ahead and cut out using the largest of the dies in the Decorated Pines die, that great big one there. I've used it so much this holiday season for gift card making. It's just going to go like that onto the designer series paper, and then we're going to stamp onto one of our already pre-cut dies, and this is the Beautiful Shapes dies, and they indeed are a beautiful shape, and they have been well used, let me tell you. So I'm going to bring in the stamp from the stamp set. This is the actual stamp set here, Decorated with Happiness. Shaded spruce. Oops, it's going all over the place. And just stamp that one onto there. Aiming for the middle. Perfect. I did cut another piece just in case. There's a chance it would go wrong. So now it's just a matter of putting a little bit of Tombow on here. You can have as much or as little showing of these as you like, really. So I've got my silicone mat underneath that just to hold it all together. I'm not worried about what's going to peek out because we won't really see that. Looks a bit ugly now, I know, but once we've got it on the card you won't see. Okay. To one side. I'm just going to wait for that glue to dry. Bring our paper back in. And what I'm going to do is actually just go straight down with some Stampin' Seal into the middle here, because it'll just hold that in place and we won't see it because we'll have our sentiment over the top. Okay, bring that in, just going slightly on an angle. So yeah, it looks a little bit messy now obviously, but once that goes on it'll be perfect. So let's do that now, hey? Now, when I did this one, when I did the original one here, I actually popped a little bit of Tombow underneath one of these just to have it flat. But that is something that you don't have to do if you want to keep it sort of up off the paper. And you can see I've got the stem coming out there as well. I wanted it to look kind of natural, or as natural as possible. I really like the shaded spruce. I like it for any season, but I particularly like it for now. That is for sure. Right. Dimensionals on the back of this one. Straight on there. Easy, 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 easy. And I've already done the bow because I'm a bit bow challenged at the moment. So just going to pop a glue dot onto there. And then thread. Whoops, that could probably come up a little bit. We made it slightly bigger on this one. The thing about card making, you make one, unless you're making, you know, doing a whole lot of the same, you can always change it up. That's what I like. And these are the seasonal adhesive backed sequins, and you know I have used these so much that I have another little order sitting in my drawer because so let's go crazy. I've got heaps. So there's not much to this card really, is there? But I think just using those another one there. Why not? Why not? Let's put this onto our base, or mat I should say. So you can put it directly onto your card base, your card if you prefer, without that little extra mat. I just think that little extra layer just makes that pop that little bit more. I like it anyway. And then dimensionals on the back here. And there you have it. Super, well, I think it was super quick, super easy to put together, but I mean, I had a little bit of die cutting, but it's only 2 pieces, or 3 including the sentiment die, the die for the sentiment, but it comes out cute. Really like it. Hope you like that video. I have popped a description, I've put in the description bar below, I have put all of the products that I've used today. Thank you so much for watching me and have a great day. Bye.